G'day, it's me, Solly Stag Beetle. Is that right? Yeah, that's me. From Solly's Adventures. I hope you all like my channel. Today, I had a real crappy market, which I didn't sell very much. So I went salvaging some driftwood. I've got a couple of cracker logs. Look at that one. That's a nice one. That's a bit smaller, but it was still nice stuff. I'm going to stick them on the mill. We're going to do a bit of a video on milling. And hopefully we get a couple of really nice slabs out of it. It's going to have heaps of character with all the wormholes. Pretty sure there's going to be some chopped up crabs in there too. This one over here, I reckon he might be rosewood, just the way he's splitting. I don't know if you can see the colour. Doesn't seem to want to focus on that, but yeah. I think that one might be rosewood. Let's see what the other one is. I'll set up the camera. I'll see you in a sec. Alrighty, we got it on the mill. Really quite excited about this. I mean, it could be terrible, but I think it's going to be gorgeous. So I've got my little tripod set up over there. Just have to see how it will look. Yeah, it should give you a good idea. And I'll grab the camera and I'll show you once I've done the first couple of cuts. Okay, so I've already done the blade tensioning and the re-greasing and the oiling of the cable. The pull-up cable, you've got oil every day. So I've left it out of the video. I'm sure I've done another one. If not, 1,000 other people have. Running the OS27 Frontier mill and that beautiful lump of driftwood. So let's see how we go. It's gonna be real loud. What do you guys reckon? I'm thinking possibly red cedar, but it's gonna be hard to tell till I cut some and polish it up. Anyway, that's a pretty good slab. If I went out and just got that today, I'd be stoked. So pretty happy so far. See how the rest of it goes. I'll put a bit of water on it. We'll see how that goes. I won't put a bit of water on it because I'm running out of water. found another crab. I'm going to go and put him in the pond with the other crabs. Anyway, I'm going to pause the video now because the camera's getting wet. Cutting really nicely. I'll show you a bit more of it. No, actually, what I'll do, hang on a second. Hold your horses. Take you for a walk. All right, lifting mechanism. Going to pull him up a little bit. Pull him back over. Have a good look at him. See the colour of the sawdust on there? So, it doesn't look that red now, but I tell you, once I polish that up, it's going to be gorgeous. New saw blade that I've sharpened, so I'm cutting real well too. Beautiful. Cracking piece of wood. So stoked with that. That's it. Polished up. Still have no idea what it is. It seems too light for red mahogany, but it's pretty. And those big slabs are going to make something beautiful. So that's it, just cut. And that's it, polish a little and oiled. I think it might be the same thing I got from Almara the other week. Check out the face in that one. That's cool. Yeah. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I know it was just a bit of a milling video, but good fun. If you like, share, subscribe, like. If you, yeah, you know what I mean. Like, do all the stuff. Do all the stuff on the video. And I'll catch you next time.